Hi, this is Vanessa with Designs by Vanessa. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. This is a DIY on a driftwood hanger. For this tutorial, you will need some driftwood and a metal hanger or some wire that you want to use, something to cut it with and bend it, some super glue, and you'll also need a drill to drill the hole, and I don't have a picture of that. So the first thing you want to do is mark your driftwood where you want to drill, and you just want the same size as your metal wire. And then I cut the bottom part of the wire. I measured about 5.5 inches just because that's how long I thought I might want it. And then you want to bend it in a sort of a U shape for the hanger portion of it. I actually had to use something round to kind of guide it as I did that. And then I put it into the hole to see if I liked the size, and I was okay with it. So then I took it back out and placed about 2 drops of super glue into the hole and put the wire back in and let it dry for about 10 minutes. So the dry time will depend on your glue. So that's it. Here you have your finished hanger. I use it to hang my finished crochet and knit items for photos. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.